Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Directive 8020 on your PlayStation 5 and you keep getting this error, something went wrong and you're getting this error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Directive 8020 easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your games library, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your Directive 8020 here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto the options button on your controller on Directive 8020. Once you do that, now you're going to get this menu. You're going to click on to check for updates here at the top, and once you click on to check for updates, it will look for any new updates of the game, and if there are, it will update the game. After that, you're going to click onto the options button again, and now you're going to go into restore license here. Once you click on to restore license, it will tell you that in order to restore the license, it will close the game. You're going to click on to restore then it will start restoring the license of the game. Once it's done, you'll get this window, license restored. You're going to click on to OK here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect your PlayStation 5 from the internet. So either disconnect the Ethernet cable or just turn on airplane mode on your PlayStation 5, or you can also turn off the Wi-Fi and then restart your PlayStation 5. So turn it off fully and then turn it back on. After that, wait for a minute or two, and then you can turn the internet back on now. After that, now you can go ahead and try to play Directive 8020, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.